campers. We are near Tahlequah, Oklahoma, heading for our next pickup, and just the road in front of us looks kind of interesting right now, so I thought, time to record. This is US Highway 62 eastbound. We did our delivery yesterday at the Walmart DC near Tulsa. Hung out in Tulsa for the day yesterday. And today, the 14th, Valentine's Day, yay! We are headed for our next customer. So 30, alright, let's do 30. I like 30. 30 is a good speed for switchbacks. This could be interesting. This could be very interesting indeed. Alright, let's also get hazard lights on, because we are going to be going very slow through this. Oh, that looks like a tight turn. Alright, is there anyone coming? Nope, cool, we can go out a little wide. That's cool, that's cool. Well, we're going right into the other lane here. We are well into the other lane. This is a truck route. This is a truck route. It's kind of fun, aside from the fear that oncoming traffic may show up at any time. That is why we did the horn noise before we went around that. Good thing that was a dump truck and not another semi.
In 1,000 feet,
that might have been
right
a little
Oklahoma
awkward. He was able to duck in a lot tighter on that turn than a semi could have. Looks like they're going to widen this quite a bit more.
Take the next right onto Oklahoma 51 East.
Yay. Yep.
Continue on Oklahoma 51 East for 14 miles.
Alright. There we go. That was fun. Oh, this bridge looks small. This bridge looks very small. This is a published truck route. That's got to be 13.6. There's no way this would be a truck route if that wasn't 13.6. It has to be 13.6. Number. 13. 15 even. Alright, we're good. No, 15.10. We're very good. Very, very good indeed. Yeah, I know, buddy. We're going to build a nice new bridge here. And this road will be a much better road for us, probably. Alright, cool. Well, that was fun. Puppy! Multi-dog. A couple of dogs found themselves a dead deer. That's funny. Alright, so now we're good. We're good. We are empty at the moment, so if you can hear the wind blowing, it's moving us around rather a lot. So that's fun. But yeah, so that went well enough. really much of a plan for having an oncoming truck coming through there, but, you know, we were going nice and slow. We could have stopped if we had to. And we were at least sounding our horn before we went around the corners, even if the dump truck coming uphill did not. Of course, the dump truck coming uphill did not have to split lanes, and we were very much splitting lanes. Not in the tractor, mind you. The tractor stayed in the lane the whole time, but the trailer definitely did not. I did not know that was on this road, or we might not have come this way. Just in my defense. Just putting that out there. No, it is, again, published truck route. Legal for my truck. And it has that in it. It's fine. It's all good. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video once we pick up our next load and get headed toward our next customer. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Ellie O'Dare. Come follow me on the Twitters at Ellie O'Dare, no apostrophe in the username. You can also hear a short interview I did on NPR. If you drop onto my social media, you can find the links to the NPR thing that I was on. It was really great. It had they interviewed me when I was passing through Missouri a few weeks ago, and I connected them with the Jim Palmer trucking, or the Wiltrans Jim Palmer Wilson Logistics Training School down in Springfield, Missouri. And they interviewed another student, they interviewed the boss. It was actually really cool. It was really, really cool. So go check that out if you haven't already. Got some other cool stuff in the works that I will let you know about as soon as I have it. And can actually link to it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.